How to stop backup in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. Now open the Google Photos app. We are going to know that how to stop backup in Google Photos. This same method is for Android as well as for iPhone. Now you can see here there is an option of ID here which is present at the right top corner. You have to click on it and we are going to see backing up to different accounts. Click on it. You can see here backup is turned on and off. If you want to stop your backup in Google Photos, just you have to turn it off. In this way your backup on Google Photos will be turned off and stopped. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.